Hi everyone, welcome back again. So in this video, we are going to talk about the group by keyword in SQL. So the group by keyword in SQL is used to group the records based on some columns on which we want to perform some aggregation. So what kind of aggregation we can perform? Like count, max, mean, or sum, or average. So whenever we want to perform some aggregation, we will use the group by keyword. So let's understand this with an example. So here, let's say this is a order table in which there are three columns: order ID, category, and price. Okay. So we want to find the total price of each category. So how many categories are there? There are three categories, which are stationery, grocery, and electronics. So we want to find, this is the category column, and here we want to find total price or total sale for each category. So how many times a stationery is coming? It is coming only one times. And if you want to sum this, so this will come 20. And if you again count the total price for grocery, then it is 90 plus 110, 200, again 60, 260, and plus 50, it is 310. You can sum it yourself. Again, for electronics, there are two entries. It is 320 plus 20. It is total equal to 340. So whenever we have to find total price or average of the price or maximum of the price. So whatever aggregation we want to do, we will do this by using the group by key. Okay. So the syntax to use the group by key is: first you will select the column names, as you have earlier also know that how to select the column names from table. Then from table name, you will provide the name of the table. After that, you will use the group by keyword, group by key, and here you will provide the column. So remember one thing. So whatever the columns here you are providing, it must be present in this list. Okay. So let's say you are grouping on category and you are only providing order ID and price. So this will not work. You have to provide the category column so that it can group on that column. So let's see this question practically. Here we have a table. Okay, we have a table named Ola. Okay, and here in this table it contains the information of all the rides for some customers. Okay, so here in this table you can see that it is booking ID, month, day of book. So we want to calculate the total trip cost of each month. So we want to calculate for January how much this cost, for June how much this cost, for July, so on. And there is a column name named total trip cost. So we require two column. One is month and another is total trip cost. Okay. So to write this, first we will select those two columns. Select month, comma, total trip cost. So which kind of aggregation we have to do on this table? So we will do the sum aggregation. Okay. So because we have to find the total trip cost, so here we will do sum aggregation. And what is the name of table? It is Ola. Okay. And then we will use the group by keyword, group by, and on which column we have to group? On the column of month. So if we run this query, you can see that in the June, for all the month, the total trip cost is coming. Okay. So let's see another example. Find the number of rides taken on each day of the week. So let's see the table again. So here is the day of week. Day of week contains Saturday, Sunday, Monday, these types of things. Okay. So we have to find total number of rides taken on each day of week. Okay. So for that, we will first select the day of week, day of week column, day of week column. Then whatever, we have to count the number of writes. Okay, so we will use the count keyword, and here you can pass any column name. So I am passing the booking ID. Booking ID from, what is the name of table? It is Ola, and then group by day of week. Okay, so if we run this query, it will select the day of week. Then it will count for each day how many bookings are done, and it will group on the basis of day of week. Okay, so if we run this query, there is some booking ID is not found. Okay, so let's see again what was, I have some. Okay, it is booking ID. Okay, it is not underscore, it is a space, so we have to pass this inside a quote. Okay, and if you can see that on Thursday the maximum number of booking is done. So you can do many analysis using the group by key. So hope you have understood how to use the group by key in SQL. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.